can do it. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. It's not much more. You can do it. Dig deep, sweetheart. 1, 2, 3. Push, push, push. You've done it, sweetheart. He has your eyes. I remember when I held you in my arms for the first time. I never wanted to let you go, and here you are, my darling. I remember your dad being speechless. All he could say was, "You did good, stupid man."
What was the name of that song that you used to sing?
Oh, I can't remember. It was from one of your favourite musicals.
Ladies, you got 15 minutes.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. We don't have much time. But the time we do have and the time we've spent together, I'll never forget. You've given me life and a reason to live. But I'm not sure that's what you need right now, to know me. I've done things I'm not proud of. I've made choices that I wish I never had. The one thing I'll never regret is stopping the hands of your father to cut you from my body. I wish we had more time. Sometimes a lifetime is lived in a moment, and you've given that to me. I want you to know that the world out there is going to be hard. It's going to pull you down and spit you out, but never let it win. You can be all that you desire, just don't be fooled by the foolish. Don't be taken by the sparkle in men's eyes that lead you blind. Okay?
Righto. I have to take her.
Oh, come on. You don't have to take her now.
I have to take her.
She's just given birth. Just give her a bit more time.
I have to take her.
You don't have to take her now.
Calm down,
no,
Janine.
hold on to the baby. Sarah.
Calm down, Janine. Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Give me the gun, Janine.
Stop talking! Stop fucking telling me what
Give me
I've done!
the gun!
I've had that my whole life.
Give me the gun!
What the hell are you doing with the bloody gun down?
Fucking moral mother you are!
I knew this was going to happen. Do you think I haven't thought about blowing my brains out knowing I'm never going to see my child again? After I gave birth to her, do you know how often I wish she would stay inside and never come out? We can't change the past, Mum. I wish I never dragged you into this. You have a chance. You have a chance to get the hell out of here and see your grandchild grow up and start school and have her first crush. You have a chance.
I love you.